morning, everyone. Let's look at our routine. First, we make our beds, and then we brush our teeth nice and sparkly clean.
Learning is fun for everyone. Let's explore together under the sun. As you can see, our amazing Earth is mostly covered in water. That's why we're exploring the ocean today.
Let me show you a quick way you can actually use to create this children's story that you actually watch right now, and it's very simple to create. So many creators, so many YouTubers are actually creating this type of videos, and they're making thousands of money and also getting millions of views. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. We are going to be using free AI tools to create this video. And if you are new here, my name is Jonathan Light, and I teach simple editing and also AI tools to help you level up as a new beginner. So don't forget to like and comment and also share this video. So the first thing you're going to be going into is to go to ChatGPT, sign up with them, and come to this place they used to type something. And I'm gonna be asking it to give me a short story, children's story. And once you type it, you send it, ChatGPT will generate the story for you. Then you can check out your story to know if you are going to regenerate it. But I think this one is good because I actually like it. It says that the little star who refuses to shine or believes himself. So I like it, and we are going to be using this one. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to asking it to give me a prompt to generate the whole book, to generate the whole pictures in the story. So, and here the prompt is generating. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to generate the image by itself. I'm going to be using Google Gemini. Yes, Google Gemini. That's what I'm going to be using to generate the image. So the first thing I'm going to do is to copy the first prompt and go over to Gemini. I will paste my prompt and write 16 by 9, but definitely this thing is not going to give us 16 by 9 because you know there's a free version, and yeah. So we're going to be expanding it later. So once I place it, my image will be generated. Once your image is generated and you like it, you just have to tap on it and download it straight to your phone. After downloading your image, the next thing you're going to be doing is go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, paste it on the Google Gemini or anything you want to use to generate your image, and allow it to do it. And give it some time. Your image is generated again. Once it's generated, make sure to click on it and save it to your gallery. Repeat the same process, going to Google Gemini, going to ChatGPT and getting the prompt and pasting it on Google Gemini to generate the whole image till everything is done. Once you're done generating or you're satisfied with the image generated, all you have to do is to go back to your phone. Once you're satisfied with the image that you just generated, so the next thing we are going to be doing is go back to ChatGPT. Once we go back to ChatGPT, we are going to be copying the first prompt to generate our video. So we are going to be generating our video. We are done generating the images, so it's now for videos. Once you copy your prompts, we are going to be using CapCut. Yes, CapCut has a free place where you can actually generate your videos like this. And even if you require credit, there is a way you can actually get credit, which I'm going to be talking about in the last video. In the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get credit freely on CapCut. So once you paste it, you paste your image on CapCut. So we are going to be expanding the images because it does not align with YouTube 16 by 9. So we are first of all going to be expanding it. So once we expand it, we are good to go to the next level. So once it's expanded, all you have to tap again is to look for beta. So you just paste in your prompt in that beta and image to video, then allow it to generate, give it some times, and your image is generated. But this, we made a mistake because this one did not come with sound. I forgot to change it to VO3. This one is Cadence or something like that. So I'm going to be copying the next scenes, which we are going to be doing very proper, because this first one, the narrator needs to be talking. So once I copy the second script, I'm going back to the CapCut app. Once you reach the CapCut app, you upload the second image, which is this one. Expand it and put in your prompt. So this one, once you put in your prompt, you can see this estimated credit needed, credit left, but we are not going to be using credit because this CapCut gives free trials each day 3 times. So once you click here, you click on VO3, which is the next thing. Go up and click on VO3. Once you click on VO3, then allow it to generate your video. Give it some time, and this one is very, very fast, and before you know it, your video is generated.
I don't shine as bright as the other stars. What if I try and fail? Look at me! Twinkle, why are you hiding your light?
Because I'm too small. I'm not special like Flash.
Little star, even the smallest light can make a big difference in the dark.
Really? Really?
This is so cool, and you would truly believe me that CapCut is really actually doing great. So for you to add the narration, you have to go back to your prompt and copy the narration. Then you are going to be using CapCut too for the narration. Just look for this place they called captions. Once you get to caption, you tap on it, then it will bring out a place that you are going to be putting your captions. Once you put in the caption, we are going to be looking for the voiceover. And in this video, I'm using Andrew because Andrew is free, but it gives me the best. I mean, the voice of Andrew is actually something else. It's very, very good. You can try it out if you actually want an AI voiceover. I'm going to be playing the final video for you.
High
to
above
judge.
the world.
And please, if you watch this end, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and tell me what you think in the comment section, and don't feel free to talk about what you want me to post in my next video.
High above the world, where the sky sparkles like glitter, there lived a tiny star named Twinkle.
Oh dear.
But Twinkle had a secret.
I don't shine as bright as the other stars. What if I try and fail? Look at me! Twinkle, why are you hiding your light?
Because I'm too small. I'm not special like Flash.
Little star, even the smallest light can make a big difference in the dark.
Really? Really?